Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by to watch the channel E-24G. This is Eric, and I have something I just bought today. And today is actually Thursday. Today's Thursday. And today is January 21st. And what I'm about to show right now is something that's about to be released tomorrow. And I'm going to give a tip to anybody who is looking for this. This will be a little difficult to get. And again, I appreciate, first of all, to show the bag of the store that I ended up getting from, which is called the Lit Bar. Ladies and gentlemen, please support your small businesses. Again, love the bag. Think local, buy local. Again, many times we need these businesses. Without them, we don't get to places where we can get to. So support your local businesses. I'm in New York. This bookstore is in the Bronx. I hope I give the address correct, which is 130, I believe it's 133 3rd Avenue, Bronx. The Bronx. And I'm going to show what I ended up getting just to do this book review. Bam. There it is. This is the Nike book. Was able to get this today. This is the Virgil Abloh, Something's Off. As you can see here, you have the Virgil Abloh icons on here. So you have this book over here. Sorry about the ring light, the reflection. And about to do the unopening. Well, actually, it's not unopening. I guess not opening. Let's just open this up. Let's just see that. So about to open this up right here. Again, this is a good piece just for me to have part of the collection. I have a couple of off-white items that I have. And I love this. You know, again, many businesses had the ability to sell the book ahead. Just feeling the texture on the book. And yeah, a lot of credit to Virgil Abloh for doing that. That's a good thing to give these small businesses an advance on being able to release these books and have them released ahead of time. One of the rules was, which I wasn't gonna go buy the book at the store. Actually, I called the store ahead of time to see if they had it, since I had read what his plan was on this book. And as I just open it up, I'm gonna show you a couple of little pieces on here. And this is great. If you see this, the book has like that unfinished look to it, like it's loose. So I just wanted to just show that. And look at this over here. And again, guys, please support, subscribe to the channel. I try to do things to entertain. And again, I know the videos at times are not perfect, but I do the best I can. So please like and subscribe. Going back to what I was saying, I try to go online to buy it. I call the store back, and as you can see, the information on the book, introduction. Actually, you see Hiroshi Fujiwara on Virgil Abloh in the beginning. So this is going to be this is a big book. It's almost like in the form of a textbook, so it's worth it. The book is $70, and here's the introduction on it from Hiroshi Fujiwara, who is Fragment Design. And yeah, now this is going to be a pretty cool read. It's going to be a nice, very, very nice piece to have, conversation piece at your house. You know, maybe I'll get another one just to have for myself. And as you have here, you know, the designs that Virgil has thought about. I don't want to show, I can show the whole book, but this is pretty much some great, I'm just randomly just seeing this. As you see, I'm not doing anything crazy. This is all just me just turning the page. And again, to kind of go back, I'm so sorry I lost track. online you cannot purchase it until January 22nd, which is tomorrow, Friday. So based on that, that's one of the things. So the stores, uh, black owned stores, have the ability to sell because Virgil came to, which I thought was a great thing, to have the stores carry them early in person, and then tomorrow it'll be released on Nike.com, sneakers app, and of course many other stores. So yeah, this is basically the book, but it's a great, to me, it's a great piece. Just wanted to show that off and say, you know, show I have it as of today. Hopefully I'll be able to post this video today. It'll be brief, it'll be quick, but just I'll give some information on it. And again, thank you to the Lit Store. Let me get the actual address. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's not 3rd Avenue. I'm so wrong on this. It's 131 Alexander Avenue, Bronx. It's the Lit Bar. If you go to the website, thelitbar.com. Excellent store. Amazing place. Again, thanks to them for the courtesy. It's a very beautiful bookstore. I was actually impressed with it. And I ended up getting one more thing along with that. Might as well just show it. In addition to the Virgil Abloh book, I just walked around the store and I said, you know what? This is actually something I can read. I want to have something I can have, stuff that if anybody has common interests as I do, they can check it out. And just, you know, along the, might as well just show the book all green. Might as well just bring it all in now. Talking about off-white. We have the off-whites rubber dunks. Here they are, not even worn, not even tried on, nothing yet. And in addition to that, you know, just to kind of give it away as far as things to try on to go along with the sneakers. These, tell me that these socks, which ones would you think would go better? We have these black with the green swishes. I mean, either one, these can, you can't go wrong with this. Or you have these lime green colored socks. All right, so let me just get back to this. I did a review. I wasn't really happy with it. Let me do a quick one because again, the concentration of this was basically on the book. You have the rubber dunks over here. You have this rubber material. I love the design on this. I know a lot didn't like it based on that. You know, we all think about mostly resale and resale and resale, and it can get a little exhausting just talk about resale. Remember the times you just enjoyed sneakers, just put them on and that was it, and you enjoyed them. And you know, I hope to see one day something along those lines come back where we can actually just enjoy the sneakers and what we have, and we all compliment each other and say, oh, that's pretty cool, where'd you get those, and so on and so forth. These days it's all business, and I get it, there's nothing wrong with that, but it can be a little exhausting seeing a lot of the conversations is mostly, hey, how much do you think that will really sell for? And that's great and all, but there's only specific sneakers that obviously have that range. Obviously Virgil sneakers have that range to be able to resell. Again, I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet, and it's more based on what's being released later this year with his 20 collection from Off-White and Nike, again, collab. So you have this rubber material, the switch, which I love how it kind of just extends and comes out. It's not attached. Same thing over here, the tip over here, top of the swoosh. You have the air bubble over here, and under you have the outsole, which is a light green colored. On the back of it, you have the Nike Air, again in rubber, and these sneakers are pretty heavy, actually, pretty heavy. Let me go to the other part, the other pair, which we all like this whole tag, and the tag has like this felt material. So you can just, you know, this it's a soft felt. When I wear the Off-White Nikes, I have a pair of the pink ones. I leave it on. You know, you try to make it rock it. Now you take it off and just, you know, just again, we all know which ones are off-whites, what's not. So it's kind of obvious. At the same time, when you have the description over here, you know, off-white for Nike, Beaverton, Oregon, and then you have 2019. You have all the needs that you do as far as when it comes to that. So on the inside, let me just try and see. Might as well just do this whole combo review all in one shot. You have these lime laces over here. Don't know if that's too much. You can rock either one. I think the black is just nice and sleek over here. And the inside, you have the insole. Again, look at this. This is all still, like I said, it hasn't been touched. Size 10. It says here off-white, year 2013. And let's see how I'm going to do this one. Yeah, I'm going to put it this way. And put them back. Again, the whole purpose of this video was to show the book that I have it a day earlier. And again, Virgil Abloh did an amazing job and a great job in having these small businesses get, you know, the books ahead of time, be able to carry them. Of course, one of the rules was you can't offer it online because, again, I believe there's a rule with the whole Nike situation. Not sure exactly what it is, but that was the deal. Stores that get it and have the books in stock, they're able to sell it in person, in store, so you can go pick it up if you have a store nearby. Any black-owned businesses as far as that, which I believe is a great thing. Beautiful store. If anybody's in the New York area, go check it out. Again, you know, hopefully when things get better, as far as when time comes around, when we can all have a little bit more, I want to choose the right words for this, to hang out, not have to worry about wearing a mask. The place is awesome. You can tell it's a nice chill spot, good place to get together, talk about books, common interests. Great place, and I hope that they succeed in. And even these times, you know, books like this that are going to be in high demand, maybe you don't get it from Nike.com. You know, maybe get it from a local bookstore. Just do your research and look around, whether it's New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, California, anywhere. Look them up. And again, I give credit to some of the people who do the videos on YouTube. I would not be aware about that, that the books come out that early ahead of time. So let me go back. And again, this is the box. Again, this is kind of like a dual review. So there it is for that. And again, we have the book. Again, this is basically the main subject at hand as far as the book's concerned. And then I guess I'll do the other book on a different time frame. And I'll give my review on that. Again, unboxing, unbagging, appreciative. Thank you to, again, the Lit Bar in the Bronx for allowing me to pick up the book and purchase it. And again, thanks to Virgil for making that possible too. Having these small businesses have given them the avenue to have this available to purchase. Anybody who likes the video, please like, subscribe, please subscribe. It's not that difficult, it's not that complicated. You tap subscribe, check out the other videos, my videos of point of view. Soon at some point, maybe I'll show my face, maybe not. Been very busy, try to stay busy. Still not easy times. And again, hopefully I entertain and take your minds off and give you something to at least look into in common interests and so on and so forth as I continue to do what I can. And I will continue doing it, whether it's 5 subscribers, 10, 50, or even a lot more, hopefully, which I will look to achieve at some point. So greatly appreciate it. For anybody who watches it, it's basically supporting me. I don't really have that many subscribers at this time, but at least you guys know that with the videos I'm releasing, that I am constantly putting work into this. And I hope you guys really do enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Support local businesses. It's very important, just like the bag says. And hope to do another video very soon, as I have a couple of things scheduled to come up pretty soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Blessings to everybody, and thanks for watching. See ya.